Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ryford Stories and I am the CEO and founder of Self Cut System. And today we're here at the Self Cut System studio right in my own home where I'm gonna show you guys some cool things inside here at the Self Cut System studio. This is supposed to be a dining room area where I actually turn into my own little studio room. Later on, probably like next week, I'm actually one of my guys who's a contractor. He's actually going to help me build my own home barbershop, like a self-cut system studio shop. So which is pretty cool. So I'm going to have the two barber chairs here. I'm going to cut this out, put a big mirror with lights, and I'm going to keep the shelves to put my products in. Yeah, so for those of you who doesn't know me, I actually used to work as a barber since I was 15 years old. And I remember I always wanted to have my own barbershop, but obviously that didn't go through because I actually pursued something else, like creating a cool product that allows the guys to cut their own hair called the Self-Cut System. Make sure you cop that. So yeah, guys, this is my first home barbershop studio, and you can't have a barbershop if you don't have the barber pole. You guys gotta have the barber pole. I actually got this on Amazon, it cost me about 70, 80 bucks. And then, so you have a barber pole, and you also need, you gotta have a barber chair. Not those chairs that you use in the kitchen. This is the professional barber chairs. This cost me about, I didn't know it was gonna be that expensive, anywhere between like 2 or 3 grand, but I got the hookup. So yeah, I was able to get this. You'll also have, to have your own setup where you could put your clippers, your trimmers, especially the Self-Cut System Lambo clipper, which you need, and the finisher trimmer, which is the best clippers, the best trimmers in the game. And then I also have this wall mirror. It has built-in lights. It's pretty cool. I don't own it. I actually bought it. This is pretty freaking cool. We also have here is the aftershave lotion. We also have the Self-Cut System hair gel. It has the firm hold. And here's the packaging for the retro kit. They call it the Dynamic Duo. You got the cordless clipper and the cordless trimmer set. Again, this is available on our website, selfcutsystem.com. And if you scroll down here, this is the BarberShop in a box, where it has pretty much, it's a 20-piece set, all-in-one self-haircutting kit, where you have the cordless clipper, the cordless trimmer, you got the mirror, you got the scissors, you got the comb, you got the charger. Obviously, you gotta have the oil and that little brush, and also comes with a travel bag, which is pretty cool, guys. So this is gonna be available in Sam's Club or Costco, or maybe both. So we're still, it's still pending. So we're gonna make it happen, so stay tuned. Also, what I got here, this was a gift that was given to me. This is pretty cool. This is, I don't know if you guys know, but I actually got myself my own Lamborghini a few months ago, and one of my good friends actually gave me this Lamborghini champagne with the Lamborghini champagne glass. That's pretty cool, right? If you come here, this is pretty cool. I actually got myself 2 arcade games, which one is the NBA Jam, which is my favorite. I think the team that I play with is Houston Rockets with Olajuwon and Clyde Drexler. Nobody can beat me in this game. Not even once. I beat everybody, and I'm not just saying that because this is my house. No, it's true, guys. Like, I'm like undefeated. So, guys, I'm a basketball fanatic. I actually, love playing basketball. I'm just a big fan of the NBA. And the other arcade, oh, here's what's one cool thing, is you don't need a quarter to play this game. All you have to do is just reset it and then, play a brand new game. And the second one, I actually got this just recently. I got the Supreme Edition, and they co-brand with Mortal Kombat. Man, I feel like a little kid, because ever since, this is like one of my favorite games when I was a kid, is playing Mortal Kombat. And one of my favorite fighters that I usually play is Liu Kang. Well, just today, Liu Kang, Sub-Zero, and Scorpion. So those are my 3 top fighters. What are yours? Comment below. But yeah, guys, and also I'm saving the best for last. So this is my self-cut system station, where I have this door right here. By the way, this was on ABC Good Morning America show. And yeah, so they actually, returned it to me. And as you can see, I got my self-cut system station with the King's Gold limited edition. Guys, this is like a must-have product, especially if you're just a fan of cutting your own hair like myself. I'm actually, like, not a lot of people know this, but I have an addiction problem. I'm addicted to self-haircuts. I always love my hair to be fresh. And yeah, we just did a self-cut tutorial video, so that will be dropping soon. And yeah, with this setup. So yeah, guys, so this is the King's Gold limited edition with the built-in lights. Everything here is gold. The brackets are gold. Even the hinges are gold. So this is pretty cool, guys. So make sure to cop that. It's now available on our website, selfcutsystem.com. So this right here, again, I'm a basketball fanatic. This was given to me to a good friend of mine, also a mentor of mine as well. His name is Stephen Key. He is like the godfather of licensing products. So this is like one of his products that was very successful. I think he licensed it to a big company, and I believe he sold over 1 million units. And he pretty much got paid through royalties. So yeah, so he's like one of the reasons of my company's success, because of the guidance and the mentorship that he provided and pretty much showing me the right direction. So big shout out to Stephen Key. He is the founder of InventRight. InventRight is a service for inventors who pretty much want to license their products to bigger companies. So make sure to check them out. And what I have here, this little chest. The reason why I bought this, first of all, like, it's so funny, when I have people over my house, we usually play Connect 4, and I'm like that arcade game, I'm still undefeated in Connect 4. Nobody beats me. So one of my boys told me, hey, have you played chess? And I started playing it. I'm like, I'm getting better at it. But this game pretty much reminds me of business, because when it comes to chess, it's all about your next move. You gotta be ahead of the game. You gotta participate the unexpected. Expect the unexpected. And yeah, while I'm like trying to improve my chess game, is very, it's like the same thing with business, very similar. Also, what I have here, I'm about to show some. Here, I'm hoping not scratching the floor. I put this little boxing setup. Ooh, look at that. Come on, bro. Where you at? Come on. Mayweather, where you at? Look, oh. Oh, come on, baby. What you got? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go. Ooh, right there. Ooh, no, look at that. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, where you at? Come on, man. Come on, man. Selfconscious.com, baby. I'm getting too cocky. But damn, I'm bringing a sweat. I sweat easily, guys. Woo! All right. Yeah, I just burned like 200 calories just now. But yeah, guys, so this is the Self-Cut System Studio. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. And yeah, I'm very excited to share more content with you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. So I'm out, and I see you guys soon. Peace.